We begin with former U.S. Representative John Dingell, now in hospice care after he was diagnosed with cancer. The Now Detroit's Anu Prakash joins us live in Dearborn now with more on his condition and how the community is supporting his family. Anu?
Yeah, Carolyn, no doubt about it. So many thoughts and prayers going out to John Dingell and his family today. Everyone we talked to saying they hope that the Dingell family feels their love. John Dingell, a giant of 20th century politics, now in hospice care, diagnosed with cancer. His wife, Debbie, sharing on social media, "I am home with John as we have entered a new phase. He is my love, and we have been a team for nearly 40 years. I will be taking each day as it comes. We thank people for their friendship and support and ask for prayers and privacy during this difficult time." As a writer and political commentator, Bill Ballinger covered John Dingell's record-breaking political career. He says Dingell's strength and tenacity are unmatched.
I'll believe that John Dingell is not immortal when it is proven otherwise.
Last September, Dingell suffered a heart attack and was temporarily hospitalized, and now people across the country are sharing their well wishes once again. Senator Debbie Stabenow tweeting to Debbie Dingell, "Our love and prayers are with you and John." Representative Bill Huizenga saying, "Blessings and peace to the Dingell family during this difficult journey. Let's keep them all in our immediate thoughts and prayers." John Dingell himself has kept active on Twitter over the years with a sharp sense of humor and wit.
Who in their 90s maintains that kind of a presence online and in cyberspace? Nobody but John Dingell, typical of him. But I still hold out hope that John Dingell will pull off still another miracle recovery. He is a man of such iron will and determination and physical and mental strength.
Yeah, strong man indeed on so many levels. Coming up on Action News at 5, you're going to hear from Dearborn's Mayor John B. O'Reilly, who told me that he just had a conversation with Debbie Dingell and John Dingell last night. He's going to tell us what they talked about and how his spirits were when they spoke. That's coming up on Action News at 5. For now, reporting live in Dearborn, Anu Prakash, 7 Action News.
Yeah, the Dingell family has meant a lot to the Michigan community, so all of our thoughts and prayers go out to them today. Thank you so much, Anu, for the live report. Again, our thoughts and prayers with the Dingells, and be sure to stay with 7 Action News on air and online for the very latest updates on John Dingell's condition as they come into the Action Newsroom.